Today we are looking at an ideal double indent separator. This unit was completely rebuilt. Everything is in good shape on it. The wear components have been checked. You can see the inside of the unit. This unit is going to do oregano down in Texas. This is a special order. We get the inside very clean on this unit. We thoroughly sandblasted everything, ensured there was no dirt or rust in the unit. You can see the discharge is here. You can see how the inside of the discharges have not been painted and are not rusty. This unit is powered by two 3-phase electric motors. You can see the inside of the unit here. The drum was thoroughly sandblasted on the inside as well. You can see the electric motors here. You can see the drive side of this unit has these nice observation and lubrication holes here on the side. Also has these doors that flip up and out of the way and allow you to see what's going on inside. Because of the power limitations of our shop, we only can run one of these motors at a time. So we're going to fire up the top one so you can see it run, and then we will fire up the bottom one. All right, here you can see the top indent running. There's no rubbing or scraping. Comes right along, fires right up. Motor starts strong, runs strong. It's a very high quality motor as well, heavy duty. See the drive pulley running there. Pull that door aside, we can see the chain and the drum going around. Everything is in nice shape on this unit. You can see inside of the liftings discharge. You can see the auger going around in there. Nice shape. All of the controls are free and work as they should. Now we are going to fire up the bottom unit. All right, and here we can see the bottom unit running. You can see the pulleys going around behind the guard there. See the main bearing turning. Look into the observation ports to see the drum going around. All of the controls are free on these units. Again, this unit was completely rebuilt in excellent condition. See the inside here. Again, we thoroughly sandblasted this unit, got it clean. It's a really nice unit. Everything hums along and works as it should. This unit is ready to go to work. Thank you for watching.